In this video, our hair model has natural 4C textured hair. Her tight coils are very prone to breakage, tangling, and extreme dryness. We started off by clarifying her 3 times using Lasio's Hyper Silk Clarifying Shampoo. Once we rinse that out, we rough dry her hair until it's 100% dry. Now we'll section the hair, and starting at the nape of the neck, we begin our Keratin Tropic application. Each section needs to be completely saturated from roots to ends. Once the entire head has been fully saturated, rough dry the hair using medium heat until the hair is 100% dry. You can use a paddle brush or a round brush to help smooth out the hair and make the flat ironing portion easier. So here is where the Keratin method differs from a regular Keratin Tropic treatment. With our flat iron still set at 450 degrees, we're only going over the roots, mids, and ends 3 to 5 times instead of 7. This is going to ensure the keratin is properly sealed into the cuticle and still reduce some of her curl. The Keratin method is a temporary way to achieve a similar result to the Texlax, without the harsh chemicals of a relaxer that permanently break disulfide bonds. After we finish the flat iron portion, we can wash the hair right away using sodium chloride-free shampoo and conditioner. To style, we'll be using a cocktail of our smoothing balm and advanced serum. We're going in section by section to make sure the product is evenly applied throughout the hair. Our smoothing balm is a heat protectant, which also helps to tame and define curls, while the advanced serum is going to smooth flyaways and add shine. They both contain hydrolyzed keratin, which is going to help increase the longevity of her Keratin. Now her hair has a looser curl, more definition, hydration, and is much easier for her to manage. This also allows for versatility if she chooses to style it curly or straight.